Today, we look at the solid bodies around us and know about them. Look these pictures. These things are solid bodies or solids as they occupy some space. Each solid has length, breadth or width and height. Therefore, they have three dimensions. So, they are three-dimensional. Bodies which occupy some space are called solid. Some of these solids are regular and some of these are irregular. Now look at this book. The upper surface of the book is rectangular plane. The book has 6 similar plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Two adjacent surfaces of the book meet at the border line. Two adjacent surfaces of the book meet at the border line. This line are border lines. In a book, there are 12 such border lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The plane of the book are not uneven, so they are plane surface or smooth surface, but broken stone have uneven outer surface, so such surfaces are called curved surface. One rectangular plane of a book has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. One book has 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A brick has also 6 surface, 12 border lines and 8 vertices. Is there any special name of this type of solid? Cuboid. Now define cuboid. A solid which has 6 rectangular faces at right angles to each other is called cuboid or rectangular parallelepiped. A cuboid is a three-dimensional shape with a length, breadth or width and height. Some examples are book, brick, box, etc. Is there any specific name of a cuboid when its six faces are square? Yes, it has a specific name, cube, when its six faces are square. Now define cube. Are three-dimensional solid objects bounded by six square faces is called cube. Two adjacent sides of a cube are at right angles with each other. Some examples are dice, Rubik's cube or magic cube, etc. Look at this ball. The ball has only one surface. This surface is not like the surface of a cuboid, so it's a curved surface. The solids, which are similar to ball in shape, are known as sphere. Now we define a sphere. A three-dimensional object which has only one curved surface is called a sphere. Some examples of sphere: football, tennis ball, cricket balls, bubbles, marbles, orange, etc. There is a borderline in the middle of the ball. If we divide it along the line, we get two equal half sphere. This half sphere is known as hemisphere. This is solid hemisphere. A solid hemisphere has two surfaces. One is curved surface, another is plane surface. Now draw another picture. Look at this picture. It has two triangular ends and lateral surfaces are rectangle. The name of this solid is prism. It has three lateral surfaces and two ends. This prism has 5 number of surfaces. Now define a prism. If the two ends of a solid are polygonal and the lateral surfaces are rectangular, then this type of solid is called prism. Now look at this solid. It has one curved surface, one plane surface, and one vertex. Look at this solid. It has one flat base, one curved surface, and one vertex. The name of this type of solids are cone. Now we define a cone. A three-dimensional geometric shape that cracks smoothly from a flat base to a point is called a cone. The point is called vertex. Repeating again. A three-dimensional geometric shape that cracks smoothly from a flat base to a point is called a cone. The point is called vertex. Now we define a right circular cone. A three-dimensional object which has one circular base and a single vertex is called a right circular cone. A solid cone has one curved surface and one plane surface. Examples of cone: funnel, ice cream cone, clown's cap, birthday cap, etc. Now look at this solid. It has one curved surface and two plane surface. One plane surface, and this is another plane surface. It has two edges. One edges, two edges. This type of solid is known as a cylinder. Now we define a cylinder. A three-dimensional object which has two edges contained by a curved surface is called a cylinder. Repeating again. A three-dimensional object which has two edges contained by a curved surface is called a cylinder. Now we define a right circular cylinder. A three-dimensional object which has two parallel circular base. One circular base, another circular base. Repeating again. A three-dimensional object which has two parallel circular base contained by a curved surface is called a right circular cylinder. Examples are milk container, pencil container, pipe, tube light, pencil, etc. A thick hollow pipe has two plane surfaces and two curved surfaces. This picture is a hollow pipe. One is inner curved surface and other is outer curved surface. At the two ends there are two plane surfaces. Solid which are similar to a hollow pipe in shape are called hollow cylinder. Let's discuss about the shape of Egypt's pyramids. Let's try to draw the Egyptian pyramids. We first draw a square. Okay. Take a point. Join. This point with 4 vertices. Okay. Now look at this picture. In the picture we see that the base or lower surface is a square. There are 4 lateral surfaces. The shape of the lateral surfaces is triangle. The upper parts of the lateral surfaces have gradually become thin and have met a point. This pyramid has 5 surfaces in total. Now we draw another pyramid. Look at this picture. The base of this pyramid is triangular. Another name of this pyramid is tetrahedron. Our tetrahedron has 4 surfaces. It has 1 base and 3 lateral surfaces. All the sides of the tetrahedron are triangle in shape.